Hello and welcome to the QuePort for SharePoint screencast, in which today we will speak about QuePort for MySite and QuePort for TeamSites. When I come into the office and log into SharePoint, I arrive at my MySite. Without using search or navigation, QuePort for SharePoint has already provided me with all the newest information regarding the topics relevant to me. For this page, we are using different QuePort for SharePoint solutions, which are Site Activity Stream, My Tasks, My TeamSites, and the Company News. These elements can be adjusted flexibly, and we can also add different QuePort for SharePoint elements to the page. In the upper right corner of the screen, I can see My Tasks. The tasks are specified to me with their priority, a title, and behind the title we can see an extra context menu, which is normally only available in standard SharePoint lists or libraries. I see the teaser for the task and additional information like when the task is due, what the status is, and its progress. The next QuePort for SharePoint element is the Site Activity Stream. In this solution, we are provided with information which is grouped by team sites for teams that I am a part of. For the M300 team site, we can see that an Excel document, a task, and an event were recently added. Again, I can see all the additional information for each item. Also, we get a link to the author's profile, and I can choose to like the item or view and add the tags for it. The next QuePort for SharePoint solution on the site is the My TeamSites solution. QuePort for SharePoint finds out which team sites are available to me and shows me this navigation list, so I get the opportunity to navigate directly to team sites available to me. Another feature here is that I can select which of my team sites are shown in my site activity stream. I can easily add another team site to the stream, which I will do now for the M400 digital camera team site, and after the site is refreshed, it is available to me in the site activity stream on the left. The next QuePort for SharePoint solution on my MySite is the Company News solution, which visualizes the latest company news. Now we will use the team site link in the site activity stream to visit the M300 digital camera site. We have now arrived on a specified team site. The team site also features different QuePort for SharePoint solutions, like the user activity stream, different refinement options for the team site content, plus the latest company news which is relevant to the team. Now let's take a closer look at the user activity stream. In the stream, I can see all of the latest content added or modified by the team, grouped by team member. For example, Larry Zhang modified an Excel file, and Brad Sutton modified and created some tasks, whereas Kelly Kraut created a new calendar event. I can see how long ago all of these actions happened, and I can also take a look at the additional info for each item. Again, we see the likes and tags per item. The number shows us how often the item was liked or tagged, and I can easily add a like or tag of my own by clicking on the icon. On the right side of the screen, I see the previously mentioned navigators for the team site's content. This navigator shows the different document types available to us, and I can refine to, for instance, PowerPoint documents or Microsoft Word documents by one click. The next navigator provides us with the most active users, which means the team members which have recently added or modified the most content. Again, we can refine the team site's content by choosing one of these team members. The relevant company news for this team site only contains company news which is relevant to team members of this specific team. I can click on a news item to open a detail view. We have now logged on with Jack Creasy, who is also a member of the M300 digital camera team. Jack will now navigate from his MySite to the M300 team site to upload a new PowerPoint presentation. I can now choose to add some tags to the document. And after clicking Save, I can see that the document was uploaded to my document library. After refreshing the M300 team site, the new document is visible and automatically shared to all the team members by the user activity stream, and we can immediately open up a preview of the PowerPoint or choose to contact the team member who uploaded it directly. This mechanism works in the same way for the site activity stream on the personal MySites for each team member. Here we now also see the newly added PowerPoint presentation. And this is how QuePort for SharePoint pushes the latest and relevant information to me, and so makes the content find me.